Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. So I just arrived in the garage and there are people here, but they are playing music, so I don't want to risk getting some copyright thingy. So I'm making the intro here in my car. But I have Sid with me, and she will do some painting and I will continue with the electrical installation and maybe the locks for the cupboard. And I bought some more junction boxes and another 4-port outlet. So I will just get started. So here's another junction box. It's on top. See the cupboard here? So I almost forgot that I needed electricity for the stereo, so I will get that from here, and then I will just run over to the other side from this junction box. is the cable coming from the previous junction box up here and behind this bar, and then another one here just for convenience in case I need to connect the electricity to my spot in this corner. So we have more lights. So it seems like I did something right. And then Sid added another coat of boat varnish, so hopefully this will protect the surface a bit until I start to do any work on it. Maybe I should wet sand this and polish it. So I'm ending the episode at home. I'm still a bit uncomfortable videotaping myself in front of other people, but as you can see, it starts to look quite nice in the garage, and I know there is a lot of garage work in this series, but I mean the old garage was not really that nice. I mean, it served its purpose nicely, but ceiling height, asphalt floor, dust, everything. And now I'm in a garage which is quite nice. I have the possibility to do something great. So I want to give that to my Supra and to myself. So, but I'm soon finished with those things so that I can move on and work on the actual Supra, not just the bedroom for my Supra. So let me know if you have any questions about what I'm doing. I know that I'm not explaining very much. I'm trying to improve on that, but let me know how you feel. But thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Smash that thumbs up button and stay safe. Take care, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.